The last few months have been difficult for the new staff at the North Peace Cultural Center, who say they are working towards cleaning up the mess made by outgoing management. The change in leadership welcomed new Assistant Executive Director Oliver Hackmeister and Business Manager Katie Peck. They, along with co-chair of the North Peace Cultural Society Connie Suarez, tackled the financial issues and discovered the center had lost $77,000 during the last fiscal year. The staff says the sizable loss was due to the overall mismanagement of funds and unsuccessful advertising efforts.
We're having to try and recover from that because that $77,000 that was cash that went out the door that we didn't get revenue to help offset that.
Now they're recovering those costs by reducing expenses like contract services.
Cash flow has been tight, of course, since then, but we've got a small profit year to date now, so we're going in the right direction.
With their monetary issues addressed, the Cultural Center says their next goal is to work towards recovery efforts and repairing relationships with the community. Earlier this year, they hosted 3 open forums to engage residents and address their issues and concerns.
They talked about some of the things that they have seen as issues with the center, perhaps being cliquish or not being receptive to community groups. And we've worked very hard over the last 4 months to change that with community groups that were feeling excluded.
With the feedback they received, the Cultural Center says they've already started to make changes.
Anything that was an easy fix, we've actually tried to implement already. Other things are going to go into the long-term planning to implement.
Next, the Cultural Center will be completing an audit at the end of the month or early July. Faiza Amin, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.